Walking down the street one day, I seen a homeless guy. He stopped to ask me one thing I didn't know the answer to. Oh, why, ma'am, do you have $5.06? I said, ma'am, do you have $5.06? Sorry, sir, I'm running late. I just ain't got the change. And then he looked at me kinda strange and said, everyone's a bloody same. Last time I saw him, he was wearing his angel wings. Last time I saw him, he was wearing his wings. Riding on a subway train feels like I'm going insane. I see a lady clench a can of mace and a guy in the back with a strange mask on his face, and then wham! He follows her off the train, and no wham! He follows her off the train. No. Last time I saw her, she was wearing her angel wings. Last time I saw her, she was wearing her wings. On my balcony, through the masses I can see. And suddenly I hear her screaming, and it's coming from right beside of me. And then slam, the silence stills the